Afternoon there. Going to just show the innards of these Subaru single button keys. The cases quite often come to bits on them, but it's not a worry. The key still actually works, so it's not a problem. So what we'll start off with is getting that tiny little screw undone, which is just there. Now you can either take the screw out, or quite often it will come to pieces just like that, you see. So there's your battery on this side, okay, which is really simple to change, okay. So it's just a ping out and a push back in jobby, okay. On this side, if I just pull this to bits for you, I'll show you. Watch my clumsy fingers though. So what we got is that comes out, put that case to one side, and you're left with this. This is your button, that's your button from the inside. This here is your little chipboard. Now this does your remote doors, your windows, bits and bobs. So there's your battery side. Obviously this rubs against your battery here. You got a little circuitry there, and this one down here, you'll feel it, you press it and you'll feel it. It's your little micro switch that actually is your button. Alright, so what I would recommend is when you're trying to put it back together, after you've tested all that, is that into there. It is fidgety, I'll tell you that now. Awkward. Alright, so that's into there. You've got to make sure that's nice and tightly in. You'll be able to put your finger on the button side of it and you'll feel the button being pressed on the chipboard. So let's put this back in here, bearing in mind that there's your hole for your slider in. Okay, make sure she's in nice and tight, don't lose the screw though. So there's your button again, and you'll be able to feel, you can feel that like click, 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 click each time. Okay, and then simply all you've got to do is bring your other half back in, put her back on top. What you will notice on here, there's two little dog legs. Okay, they need to go in the top of the key. Clip it shut. Okay, and then simply do that screw back up. Nice and tight, just like that. There you go. There you go. There's your single button Subaru key explained. Your chipboard, your battery, and how your plastic casing all goes back in. Okay, I hope that helps you. Right, I'll catch up with you soon. Oh, if you've got 5 minutes, press the subscribe button for us, will you? Need to get me numbers up. Cheers, thank you.